Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestudingschool.com. Today, 10th March 2017. Uh, Nifty, I want to analyze first on weekly chart because whatever we have observed as of now, market is dragging at this moment, and most of the time we are finding it very difficult to analyze because what we have said yesterday in our daily intraday chart, that probability of achieving this low, that is 8,860, is there if in case it comes below the yesterday's day before yesterday's low. But at the same time, we have discussed about the probability of forming W. So market has a potential to go any direction. But then if you refer our yesterday's video, you will understand that we have said that we may get opportunity to short also, and we may get opportunity in future to form to go long if at all it forms a W. So it is almost a W formation, which you can see here, this and this. However, if you plot a trend line, this is a trend line which we are following for long, and in our view, this trend line will be retested as a resistance in future. But at this moment, current trend line which market may follow is this trend line. Till market is below this trend line, then we will see there will be a consolidation and market may remain sideways above 20 above 100 EMA. This green line is 100 EMA, above 100 EMA, and probably this trend line will be acting as a resistance at this moment. Pattern is extremely becoming bullish because 20 EMA in hourly chart is almost about to touch 50 EMA, and probably this accumulation will break out with uptrend. Instead of hourly chart, if we convert it into the 2 hourly chart, which we have followed in the past many times, we have seen there's 50 EMA in daily chart, in 2 hourly chart has been tested as a support again and again, and this accumulation is becoming very intense. Fundamental reasons are needed. Actually, market is taking a stance in each direction, means market is ready to go in any direction. अगर ये इस तरह का फॉर्मेशन चलता है तो इसका मतलब मार्केट कुछ रीजंस की वजह से ऐसा एक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे इसे बेरिश या बुलिश दोनों रीजन चाहिए, और ये रीजन ढूंढ रहा है. दैट रीजन कैन बी यूपी इलेक्शन. सो प्रोबेबली ये मार्केट दोनों तरफ के डायरेक्शंस के लिए रेडी हो रहा है. अगर यहाँ से ये ट्रेंड लाइन जो मैंने आई हैव जस्ट प्लॉटेड दिस ट्रेंड लाइन, एंड इफ मार्केट क्रॉसेस दिस ट्रेंड लाइन एंड गोज बियॉन्ड दैट ट्रेंड लाइन, then I think we will again see a trend. Relative strength index, if we use to understand that whether market is overbought or there is still any steam is left. So if you look at RSI, RSI is at this moment testing the support at 50 level and EM. As you know that for RSI, 50 level is a very crucial level, and if RSI is above 50 level and test a support at 50 level, I'm just showing you that 50 level by changing colors, and so that you will be able to look it properly. So you can see this around 50 level, it is forming W formation. Now if I enlarge this W formation of RSI, whenever RSI has formed this kind of a W formation, you can see this here, here, as well as here. So whenever it has formed a W formation, after that we have seen an uptrend. After that we have seen an uptrend. So these two examples which I have shared with you. However, that uptrend was seen once the trend line was breached. Like here, if you would have seen, a trend line after uptrend. If I would plot a trend line over here, I'll just show you how it is. Like this. So once the trend line was breached, then that time even price trend line was breached. Again here there was a trend line again. If I plot a trend line here, so after W formation around 50 or just below 50, trend line was breached. Almost price was also showing a little inclined trend, and that was breached with a gap of opening. if you see this, if you compare this, if you relate this, similar formation is happening at this moment, and we can see that yes, there is a trend line in RSI at this moment, and we are just below the trend line. So in my view, we need to break this trend line in north, if at all, if we want to go long. So similar scenario, if you see in price also, we are about to break this trend line. So wait and watch for Nifty to break this trend line and close comfortably above this trend line. Then you can think of going long. Going short at this moment, unless there is a fundamental reason or unless there is a profit booking, we may not see a short selling. And every time market comes near this low, we will see there will be a strong support coming in. So if at all market comes down at this moment, don't go short, though we look in intraday in daily chart overbought. However, don't go short at this moment because market is getting ready for uptrend. Weekly chart, if you see that in weekly chart, yes, still 64, so there is a potential as far as weekly chart is concerned for long. So correction which we are expecting actually, because this resistance area and then accumulation and sideways market and extremely away from 20 EMA. As we said, chances are there that as per market scenario, market should come down, but market is refusing to come down, refusing to take a correction. And at this moment, I think market will come up with strong uptrend, but it needs a fundamental reason, as I said, and that can be coming in probably by UP election. So we will have to wait and watch. Do not go short, but at this moment, just wait and watch. If in case Nifty crosses this high, which I'll just show you exactly what I'm talking about. If in case Nifty crosses this level, 8,992, so around 9,000 level, if Nifty crosses and close above that, then we will get a probably opportunity of going long, and 8,990, yeah, almost 8,000 9,000 level, which comes to somewhere here. So that by that time we will be actually forming an excellent pattern here. So this 9,000 level, as far as intraday is concerned, looks very far, whereas in daily chart, in a weekly chart, it shows us that yes, it may go to that level. So as I said, unless Nifty crosses above 9,000 level, do not think of going long for a positional trader. But in intraday trading, if Nifty crosses this too early, this trend line which we have plotted, then we can think of going long and keep your 50 moving average in too early chart as your stop loss. If in case market close below this 50 EMA of too early chart, then you can close your trade. So as I said, if Nifty crosses this line at this moment, if we say last hourly bars high, that is 8,945. So to make you more comfortable, if Nifty crosses 8,955 level, then you can think of going long, and 8,900 level you can keep as a your stop loss. So this is what a trading strategy can be. So wait and watch for market to give opportunity, and this trade is only for intraday. For those people who want to go for a positional trading, they should wait for Nifty to cross 9,000 level. So thank you very much for watching this video, friends. Wishing you all the best. Best of luck.